Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Crankshaft Position Sensor 2014 Hyundai Elantra. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal, lift the front of the car safely, and secure it on jack stands. Remove the engine cover and any obstructing components, then unplug the sensor connector. Unbolt the sensor with a 10 mm socket, gently remove the old unit, and install the new sensor, ensuring the connector clicks firmly into place. Begin removal by lifting the vehicle and removing any parts blocking the sensor, such as the engine cover or intake hose. Always unplug the battery first and wear gloves to protect your hands. Press the electrical connector tab and pull straight out to avoid damaging the clip. With a 10 mm socket, remove the mounting bolt, then twist and pull the sensor free, inspecting the sealing O-ring for damage and cleaning the mounting hole before installing the replacement. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple repair videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for hands-free timers, music, and podcasts while you work, and it even keeps your garage playlist going. I use one when I wrench to keep the rhythm up. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When installing the new sensor, lightly lubricate the O-ring and press it into place until it seats flush. Thread the mounting bolt carefully and tighten snugly, avoiding over-torquing which can damage the sensor. Reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks, reinstall any removed components, lower the car, and reconnect the battery. Start the engine and check for smooth idling and no warning lights, and use a scanner to clear codes if your check engine light persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.